All right, guys. So today we're going to talk about 4 things that you need to know about beard oil. Whether it's your first time buying beard oil or your 100th time buying beard oil, I'm going to give you 4 tips that you need to know before you make that purchase and just that you need to know about beard oil. So if you're interested in learning a little bit, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, EDC videos, you have definitely come to the right channel. So today we're going to talk about 4 things that you need to know about beard oil. Now, it can get confusing. It can get overwhelming, especially if it's your first time buying beard oil. You see people on YouTube, you see people advertisements on Facebook, you see all this stuff talking about you need beard oil, but you don't know where to start. All right. Yeah, these companies are doing advertisements because they want you to come buy theirs. And there's a lot of gray area. You just don't know which direction to go. You're so confused. I did a video a while back about why we use beard oil, why you need to use beard oil. And I'll put it on a card up top and I'll put it on the end screen at the end of this video so you don't have to click away. You can watch this video and then at the end of this one, you can click on that video and see the full reasons, breakdown. It's a long video, why to use beard oil. But today I've got 4 reasons and 4 things that you need to know about beard oil. So number 1, this is the one thing, if I have somebody come to me in person and say, hey, I'm looking at beard oil, this is the number 1 thing that I tell them. If you pick up a bottle of beard oil, I don't care if you're at your big box retail store, I don't care if you're at the pharmacy, and I don't care if you're looking online. If it has an ingredient that you can't read, or it's this long, put it down. All right. So if you're in a store, you probably have a cell phone, a smartphone with you. Look up those ingredients. The ingredients that should be in there is a carrier blend of stuff like castor oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, meadow foam oil, stuff like that. If it's a proper something oil, shy away from it. Okay. Those might be a little bit cheaper, but those synthetic oils are not good for your beard. I've used some in the past. I've actually purchased some, not knowing. Early in my beard journey, I purchased some, and I was really confused because when I put it in, it made my beard feel really like it had a coating on it. Learning now, that was definitely because it was a man-made product that was not going to absorb in my beard. So when you have natural ingredients, they're going to absorb into your beard and help the health of your beard. So if you can't read the name of an oil that's in the ingredients, put it down. Or if you look it up and you find out that it's a man-made oil, put it down. Pick up something else. Um, I would rather spend a few extra dollars on an oil that I know is all natural ingredients versus that man-made synthetic oil that's going to be a little bit cheaper. All right, so number 2, beard oil is not just for your beard. It's not just for your beard hair. It's for the skin underneath. That's the main reason we use beard oil. Now, yes, it is for the health of your beard, but at the same time, most people that I've ever talked to that don't grow a very long beard, it's because they grow it and then it starts itching and they can't handle it. That's what's called beard itch. That is because they're not using beard oil. So my biggest thing to those people is buy a bottle of beard oil and that beard itch will go away because it moisturizes and hydrates that skin underneath your beard so you don't get the dandruff, you don't get the itchy skin, you don't get the dry skin. So there's that. That's what beard oil is also for. Number 3, most of your beard oils are about the same. If they have quality ingredients, most of them are about the same. The difference is going to come in from the scents. So these companies, they work hard. I'm not taking anything away from like your small batch companies. They work really hard to come up with a really solid carrier blend, but that carrier blend's not going to differ a whole lot from company to company to company to company. Where these companies are standing out is very unique scent profiles. Beard oil you can get unscented, or you can get a scented beard oil, and that scent tends to last anywhere from 6 to 8 hours, where you can actually smell it throughout your day. Other people can smell it according to how potent it is. So you have that option to find a beard oil that smells like a cologne you like, or a fruit you like, or shoot, pancakes and waffles, or pancakes and syrup. I've had a beard oil that smells like breakfast. It smells like maple syrup and pancakes and bacon. It's got it all in there, and it smells really, really good. So that's where these companies are standing out, is because they're coming up with these amazing scent profiles. But 9 times out of 10, a lot of these companies, carrier blends, are very similar. They're playing the mix game back in their lab, and putting this much of one and this much of another, whereas the other company's doing it opposite. But overall, it's going to have kind of the same results on your beard when it comes to your beard health. Going back to that video that I'm going to put at the end of this one about why we use beard oil, I talk about the different carrier blends and what their benefits are. So I highly suggest you go checking that one out. And then number four thing that you need to know about beard oil. I don't care what the advertisement says. I don't care what the bottle says. Beard oil, there's not a beard oil on the market that will make your beard grow faster, grow thicker, grow fuller, any of that. There is no oil scientifically proven to make your hair grow faster. Okay. Now, there are some vitamin supplements, there are some things like that that you can take that may or may not. There's some that I've taken that I didn't see results, but I've talked to people who have seen results. So it's just according to your genetics. But that's just the way it is. Don't let somebody fool you into buying a $30 bottle of beard oil that they are promoting, that's saying it's going to make your beard grow, because it will not. Right? The things that you can do to help your beard grow and your beard health is drink plenty of water, take care of it, using oil to keep your beard healthy, cleaning your beard so you don't have clogged pores under your beard. Doing those things and living more healthy is going to help your hair grow and your beard grow. But there are people who just genetically cannot grow a beard. It's just the way it is. It's just the way our bodies are made. But I say all of that to say, do not be fooled. I'm telling you, don't be fooled by the gimmicks, because there's not one out there. All right. So those are the 4 things that you need to know about beard oil. I don't care, like I said in the beginning, I don't care if you're looking at buying your first beard oil, or I don't care if you're buying your 100th beard oil. Yeah, did you see the sweat fall down my face? It is currently 90 degrees right now with probably 110% humidity. Yeah, there you go. But anyway, that's all I've got for you today, guys. Drop it in the comments. Let me know, were these 4 things helpful? Did you know these before you started buying beard oil? Did you have to make some mistakes along the way? And let me know, have you fallen prey to the gimmick of beard growth oil? Have you? Have you done it? Tell me. We won't judge you. We won't judge you. But and when you drop the comments down there, I will definitely bring up some of them for the podcast coming up on Sunday. So drop comments. Let me know what you think. Give me some questions. Answer my questions, and I will bring them up in the podcast on Sunday. And that's all I've got for today. So I will see you in the comments. And until the next video, or until the next podcast, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.